So how do we actually play Meccha Chameleon with our friends? Well, the first thing we're going to do is to just go into the Meccha Chameleon game and then just click on create a server. Now you're going to enter server name. I'm just gonna write test123 and password is also going to be test123. Make sure to remember this, and then max players here, as you can see. You can set exactly how you want it. And you can region tag it if you want to. So for example, Europe as an example, and server tag, you can also set this one if you want to, and then click on create a server here, as you can see. And once you have created a server, your friends will now be able to join it, and I'm going to show you how they can join it. Actually, I'm just gonna return to title here just real quick, and then you have to click or your friend rather have to click on find server and then find private server. And then in here, they're going to now actually search for your specific server. So they will need to know your server name and also the password. So you have to provide that to your friends. And then region tag, for me, as I set it to Europe. And then they can just click on search server and join that specific server that you have created. And then you and your friends will be able to easily play together. And that is basically exactly how to do this.